Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rutherford County,
Yup, I'm in it.
Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County, and Middle Tennessee until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Walter Hill, or 11 miles north of Murfreesboro,
Yep.
moving southeast at 15 miles
That is
per hour.
correct. I am in it right now.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Say hi to the
Hail
camera.
damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Hello.
Locations impacted include Murfreesboro.
If you guys are not noticing, I got a new phone, so yay.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Ooh, flash flooding.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
I'm gonna ask my dad because that's amazing.
Oh my god! Again! No way! Nuh-uh!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe
It's for me again!
for southwestern DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, east central Rutherford County
Yep.
in Middle Tennessee,
Yep.
southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight
That
Time.
is for me, no doubt.
3:50 p.m.
Again,
Central Daylight Time.
second time.
A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Woodbury, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour.
Dang.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
We're happy about
Radar
it.
indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithville, Woodbury, Auburntown, Milton, and Manatee-ville. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh my god! Just in time! Oh my god! Just in freaking time, Ashland!
What's happening?
It's in my listening area.
Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Smith County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Wilson County in Middle
My
Tennessee,
God.
southern Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Lebanon, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind
Well, it's
gusts
not
and
over.
penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Carthage, Goodwinsville, South Carthage, Tucker's Crossroads, Dixon Springs, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, and Pleasant Shade. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Henry, we're still here. Wow.